Well, it is the last week of Challenge Camp. I hope you have tried all of them. This one is a good one. Marble Run. Should be lots of fun for the whole family. If you want to get them involved, this is your chance. For this challenge, you will need a marble, some tape, some sheets of paper, empty toilet paper or paper towel rolls, books, pillows, stuffed animals, and any other item that you feel would work. The challenge is to create the longest marble run with the items found around your house. So stack up some pillows and books, get the tape sticking to those paper toilet rolls, and create a ramp that makes your marble roll down the lane. Now to add to that challenge, see how long you can make this. Even better, make it curve around the room or in the backyard. Once you have completed this, be sure to post that picture to the Base Camp Facebook page. You will be entered in that drawing again to potentially win 4 spots at one of Base Camp's weekend specials. The weekend adventures would include 2 hours either at the rock wall or the high ropes on that adventure. This is Linda signing off from Base Camp.